Hi Abdu.
Hello, Jamal.
What was the first lesson in this series?
The first lesson in this series was about subject pronouns. So, if you haven't watched it yet, you should go back to the previous video and watch it carefully, because the lessons are related to each other. So if you didn't watch the first one, it's going to be hard for you to understand this one.
Then, what is our lesson for today?
Our lesson for today is going to be about object pronouns.
How can we define object pronouns?
If you remember, subject pronoun is a word that replaces a noun as a subject in the sentence. However, object pronouns also replace a noun, but as an object of the sentence.
Could you stop here? You made me curious. Can you illustrate more?
Yeah, of course, don't worry. Everything will be illustrated in this coming dialogue. Hello, Jamal, how are you?
I'm so excited. The nurse gave me the first shot of vaccination. What about you?
My turn is coming. I will visit her next week. This will help us bring the cases down to zero.
I think your father ordered you to go as soon as possible.
Yeah, actually he did, because vaccination is so important. It's mandatory, you know, but luckily a lot of people neglect it.
Yeah, brother. Therefore, the government must raise the public awareness by offering them crucial and scientific TV programs in order to show the importance of vaccination.
Yeah, of course it should. Jamal, don't you know what happened to our friend Aziz?
No? Has he reached the rules?
Yeah, he did. He hasn't got his first shot yet, and he wanted to travel. So, the police gave him the first verbal punishment. In this dialogue, you heard 8 object pronouns, which are me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them.
Me and us are used by the first person, which means the one who is speaking. Me is for singular and us is for plural. And you is used to speak to the second person for both plural and singular.
Him, her, it, and them are used to speak about the third person. Him is used for masculine, her for feminine. It is neutral, it can be used for both animals and things. Them is the third person plural.
Now let's practice some exercises. Play back the dialogue and tell us what do these object pronouns refer to.
As a summary, object pronoun was the second lesson in this series. So, watch it carefully, and you should also watch the previous video, which is about subject pronoun. And if you have any question, or if you don't understand anything, please don't hesitate to contact us in our email or leave it as a comment below.